Now, dear students, we will study the next calculator tool that is provided by the KiCad is the cable size tool. In this cable size tool, we have two sections. The one is where you can add the wire properties, and the next is the application. So on the left side, we have the first of all, our first tab is standard size. Over here, you can select the size of your tool. That is over here in AWG, that is American wire gauge. So you can select that, and the next thing is the diameter. You can select the diameter of the wire that you are going to use. Let's say you can write over here like 10 and 100. So you can change the diameter of the wire over here. According to that diameter, the calculator tool will calculate the cross-sectional area. Over here in the conductor resistivity, you can change the conductor, like you can add a copper, aluminium, nichrome, iron and tungsten conductors. You can select the conductor resistivity based on the wire material that you are going to use. The next thing is the temperature coefficient. If you click on this, you can get the temperature coefficient of the material of wire that is available for passing the current. The next thing is the linear resistance, that is ohm per meter. Then the frequency for 100% skin depth is given. Then we have the ampacity. Then we have the current density. You can also vary over like this. It's in ampere per millimeter square. In the application section, we have the cable temperature, the current that wire can pass, the length of the wire, the resistance, the DC resistance of the wire, the voltage drop that will be on this wire, and the dissipated power that will be dissipated on this wire. So let's say if I change the diameter from 1 to 10 millimeter, then you can see that cross-sectional area have changed and the linear resistance have also changed. Similarly, the ampacity has changed to 235.619 amperes. In the application, you can see that we have the value of resistance, voltage drop and power dissipation have changed by changing the diameter. So in the wire over here that is specified over here, in the application section, we can change the current that will flow to the wire that have these properties on the left side. So let's say if I change the current to 10, you can see that voltage drop and dissipated power has changed. If I click on this, that is changing. So in this way you can calculate the different properties of the wire, and you can calculate the current that wire can handle, cross-sectional area, current density, and maximum properties that are required to calculate the cable size are given in this KiCad calculator tool. So hopefully you have understood how you can use this tool for calculating the cable size.